In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset an agent's password in Freshdesk. We'll explore what actions are possible, what actions are restricted, and the specific steps both you and the agent can take. This is essential knowledge for ensuring that your agents maintain seamless access to their accounts, while also understanding the boundaries of what an admin can do in Freshdesk's password management process. First off, it's important to note that agents in Freshdesk can, in fact, reset their own passwords. However, there's an important distinction to be made. As an admin, you don't have the ability to directly reset an agent's password for them. Instead, the agent needs to follow the standard password reset procedure, which is designed to enhance security and allow agents control over their own login credentials. To start, the agent should head over to the Freshdesk login page. Once there, they'll need to locate and click on the link that says, "Are you an agent? Log in here." This ensures that they are proceeding through the correct pathway for agents. Following this, the crucial step is selecting Forgot Password. This prompts the agent to enter their registered email address. Upon doing so, an automated email containing a reset link will be sent to their inbox. It's important that agents keep an eye on their email to locate this message, as the email might occasionally land in the spam or promotions folder. After receiving the email, the agent simply needs to click on the link provided. This link will guide them to a secure page where they can set up a new password of their choosing. It's a simple and straightforward process, yet it gives agents autonomy over their login credentials, ensuring maximum security and a personalized approach to account recovery. As an admin, your capabilities are slightly different. Unfortunately, you can't manually reset or assign passwords for agents in Freshdesk. This might seem cumbersome at first, but it's a security feature designed to help maintain the integrity and privacy of each user's account. When a new agent is added to the Freshdesk team, they receive an activation email. This email is their starting point. It leads them to set up their initial password. However, there are instances where an agent might not catch this email immediately. If an agent doesn't receive the activation email or misses it for any reason, the recommended course of action is for them to navigate once again to the Forgot Password option on the login page. This will allow them to regenerate a reset email, ensuring that they never lose access to their account due to an overlooked email. By understanding these processes, both admins and agents can ensure smooth operation within Freshdesk, maintaining security while effectively managing access. This approach not only enhances user experience, but also fortifies security protocols. Remember, proper password management is a cornerstone of maintaining a secure and efficient work environment in any helpdesk system.